Today, I want to share our bioproduct innovation, fried enoki mushroom. Bioproduct innovation basically means taking something from nature, like plants or fungi, and turning them into a useful or a new product. In our case, we took enoki mushrooms and transformed them into a tasty fried snack. Why is this important? Well, mushrooms are not only delicious but also super healthy. Mushrooms are higher in fiber, proteins, and antioxidants. Plus, they grow quickly and just need fewer resources, which makes them more sustainable than other crops. So our product is both good for health and friendly to the environment. You might have heard of other mushroom-based products, like mushroom-based substitutes or plant-based snacks. Our fried enoki mushrooms just in the same movement, but with a fun, crunchy twist that people can easily enjoy.
Hai, ini kita orang kat rumah makcik lagi. So, kita orang masak enoki untuk nanti kita orang dah taste. So, ya ni Amira tengah ada-ada dengan kita. Saya goreng selawai. Sana, mungkin di sana.
Senyum cantik kak, senyum.
One of our challenges that we struggle to promote our product because there's not a lot of students on campus now. So it is hard for us to collect orders to reach our target sales.
We juggle classes, assignment, and cooking. It was time consuming and it might affect our food quality.
Our main challenges is financial. Cooking ingredients getting more expensive and it's hard to manage the cost to keep our business going.
Our innovative solutions for marketing fried enoki mushrooms is to leverage social connection. I'm asking friends and people I know to help promote our product both online and in person. We do direct promotion at campus areas and through social media to reach customers quickly. By involving real supporters, we not only build trust but also create excitement and boost sales in our local community.
For operation and logistics, our solution is mainly about better time management and using available resources. We plan to set specific times for cooking, especially on days without classes, and complete other tasks earlier to stay on schedule. Besides that, we also borrow a kitchen space and cooking equipment from one of our members' relatives so that cooking and other preparation can run more smoothly.
For the financial side, we focus on keeping costs low. We look for shops that sell at cheaper prices and ingredients that are both tasty and affordable. For example, enoki mushrooms only cost 68 cents at Mydin, and that makes them a budget-friendly choice.
In a conclusion, our team managed to reproduce a biological product, which is the fried enoki mushroom, and we also successfully explore the marketability of it. That's all from us. Thank you.
#Sumpah Garing Gila!